Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel Mohammed Mamaris. Today, we're diving into the incredible life and achievements of a true trailblazer in the world of science, Marie Curie. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our fascinating journeys through history. Now, let's talk about Maria Salomea Sklodowska-Curie, known to the world as Marie Curie. She was a Polish and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted groundbreaking research on radioactivity. Marie Curie's story begins on November 7, 1867, in Warsaw, Poland. Born to a family of educators, young Marie displayed an early aptitude for learning. Unfortunately, her journey was marked by tragedy as her mother passed away when Marie was just 10 years old. Despite facing adversity, Marie was determined to pursue her passion for knowledge. In 1891, she moved to Paris to continue her education at the Sorbonne. It was here that she met Pierre Curie, a fellow scientist who would become her life partner and collaborator. Marie's groundbreaking work revolved around the phenomenon of radioactivity. In 1898, she, along with her husband Pierre Curie, discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. These groundbreaking discoveries earned her the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, making her the first woman ever to receive this prestigious award. The Curie's collaborative efforts didn't end there. Their groundbreaking research laid the foundation for advancements in medical science, with radium being used in early cancer treatments. The impact of their discoveries was nothing short of revolutionary. In a historic moment in 1911, Marie Curie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry. This achievement made her the first person ever to win Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. The Curie's dedication to science and their groundbreaking research made them the first married couple to share a Nobel Prize. Marie Curie's legacy extends beyond her scientific achievements. In 1906, she became the first woman to be appointed as a professor at the University of Paris, breaking barriers and inspiring generations of women in science. Despite her numerous successes, Marie Curie faced significant challenges. As a woman in a male-dominated field, she encountered resistance and skepticism. However, her determination and passion for science prevailed, paving the way for future generations of female scientists. Marie Curie's contributions to science were not without personal sacrifices. Tragically, Pierre Curie died in a traffic accident in 1906. Despite this heartbreaking loss, Marie continued her work, embodying resilience and dedication to her scientific pursuits. Marie Curie's impact on science and society is immeasurable. Her pioneering research laid the groundwork for advancements in nuclear physics, chemistry, and medicine. The Curie family legacy continued with their daughter, Irène Joliot-Curie, who also received a Nobel Prize in chemistry. Even today, Marie Curie is remembered and celebrated. Her name graces institutions, awards, and monuments around the world, a testament to her enduring influence on the scientific community. In conclusion, Marie Curie's story is one of resilience, dedication, and groundbreaking scientific discovery. Her legacy continues to inspire aspiring scientists and advocates for equality in the sciences. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the life of Marie Curie, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. And, of course, subscribe for more fascinating journeys through history. Thanks for joining us on my channel Mohammed Mamaris. Until next time, stay curious.
The Nobel Prize Awards explained simply. Meet Swedish inventor Alfred Nobel. He's known for inventing dynamite, a breakthrough in chemistry. However, having mostly invented explosives, he worried about how people would remember him. So when he died, he left most of his wealth in a trust to fund what would later be known as the Nobel Prizes. These prizes are a set of annual international awards given for landmark achievements or discoveries made during the preceding year. They are widely regarded as the most prestigious honors in the fields of literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, peace, and economics. A separate committee awards each prize, but the processes are similar. About 3,000 people, usually academics, have the right to nominate candidates. From these, the Nobel committees choose around 300 potential recipients and prepare a report reflecting the advice of experts. The prize-awarding institutions then select the laureates by a majority vote. Each winner receives a gold medal, a diploma, and a sum of money. There is a maximum of 3 laureates per award, except for the Peace Prize, which can be awarded to institutions. You surely know some of the most famous laureates. Ernest Hemingway won for writing The Old Man and the Sea. What would humanity look like without Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin? Albert Einstein won for discovering the law of the photoelectric effect. Martin Luther King Jr. showed the Western world that struggle can be won without violence. The only person to win 2 Nobel Prizes in different fields is Marie Curie, one for her work on radiation and another discovering radium and polonium. And the Red Cross won a record 3 Nobel Prizes, mostly for their work protecting the rights of prisoners of war. These are the Nobel Prizes. Make a positive impact and get yours.